What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you the quest here in the library annex, Beeting a Curse. For this, I'll travel to the greenhouse, the closest flue flame, and just outside of the room here, we'll speak to Samantha.
Samantha, is everything all right? No, it's not. It's my brother William. He's been cursed. He ignored my warning and now he's lying in St. Mungo's looking completely pathetic. He simply never listens.
I'm sorry. How exactly has he been cursed?
Oh, you won't believe it. Truly, but his feet were turned into purple beets. You can imagine his distress. And mine. I won't even go into the attention he was getting from our garden rabbits before he admitted himself to hospital.
I'm so sorry. That sounds like a trying situation.
I'm glad you understand. Everyone else just laughs at me as if it's a joke. No compassion at all.
Well, it is an unusual situation. How did your brother end up like this?
It's entirely his own fault. I told him about some research I'd done recently on our ancestor Marmaduke Dale. In particular, my discovery that Marmaduke's tomb was cursed. My brother's always making fun of my discoveries. This time, he laughed in my face. Told me I'd misinterpreted my findings. As if that were possible. And to prove his point, he went right up to the entrance of the tomb and poof! His feet transfigured into beets.
How awful. I can see why you're upset. He definitely needs some help.
Exactly. He may be a cape flapper, but he's still my brother. And no one deserves such a fate to last forever, especially as the result of a single brainless mistake. Now I worry that if the curse isn't reversed, it could become permanent.
Can't the curse be broken?
Possibly. The curse stems from a crest that was stolen from Marmaduke. If the crest were returned to its rightful place upon his sarcophagus, then I believe that William's feet may be restored. You battled trolls when they attacked Hogsmeade, escaped a dragon, and I could tell by your work and charms that you're a skilled spellcaster. Returning a crest to a sarcophagus should be almost effortless for you. So, will you help us?
Sure thing.
I can take the crest to Marmaduke's sarcophagus for you.
Oh, thank you! Thank you so much! You'll simply go into the tomb where Marmaduke was laid to rest and place the crest on top of his sarcophagus. According to my research, the tomb's been abandoned for centuries, so it should be a fairly simple task. You'll find it just east of the hamlet of Brockborough.
Right, so we'll open the map and head up there. To the world map down southeast here. Alright, I'll travel as close as possible, in this case Brockborough. Flying across here to the Dale family tomb. We'll land here and head inside.
Well, my feet didn't turn into beets. That's a good start.
Inside here there is a bit of loot, but we are technically stealing from a family tomb. Whatever, I'ma take it. Breaking this wall here. We have some more to the tomb, and to the left, a chest. Down to the right.
Should have known a herbologist would use devil's snare.
Just a little box in the corner. And further down, I think the main way we need to go. We'll quickly have a look at the devil's snare over here, and we should be able to move it out of the way with light. That we can. That we can't come back from. Alright, well, down to the right here. Maybe this is the side area. Out here, definitely just some extra loot. Well, we'll break in here, grab the loot, this chest, and I think that's it for here. Heading back out. Doesn't seem to be anything we can do here, other than maybe break that. And there doesn't seem to be anything up there. Maybe we can climb up there? I don't think that's possible. Alright, well, heading back out. I suppose we'll just go the way we can't return.
A troll? You can't be serious.
Well, I suppose we'll be finding a troll in here. Keeping it disabled for most of the fight is making it a lot easier. There we go. Well, we'll pick up its bogies.
That's in London.
And we can climb up here for a bit of loot. A bag and a chest.
Left behind more than plants.
Up here. It just seems like the way back to where we came from. That's the stone we broke. Moving down and in here, let's just roll so we don't have to wait. It saved us a bit of time. Some loot and the crest that we're looking for.
A sarcophagus. This must be Marmaduke. That should reverse the curse.
There we go. I'll place it here.
Hopefully.
And I suppose we can head out. So I'll open the map, which we can't teleport within here. Alright. Well, we'll backtrack. I suppose this is the only way back, as we slid down here. That's why it's here. Leaving here for Hogwarts Valley, when we get outside we should be able to teleport. Head to Hogwarts all the way around the front here to the greenhouses, and we'll speak to them once more.
I'm happy to tell you that I returned the crest to Marmaduke's sarcophagus, just as you asked.
I thought as much. I received word from St. Mungo's that my brother's feet are back to normal. No more beets. Oh, I cannot thank you enough. It wasn't too much trouble, I hope.
Just a measly old troll, nothing significant.
A troll? Oh dear, I'm so sorry. That's awful. No one has been in that tomb for centuries. But I can't say I'm surprised. Marmaduke seems to have been full of surprises.
Indeed he was.
Well, I suppose I should be going. I'm anxious to see my brother, who must be elated to have his feet back.
Of course, I certainly would be.
William and I are forever in your debt.
And there we go.
Thank you again for what you did.
We're now finished with this side quest, so thank you all for watching. That has been Beating a Curse. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!